welcome to Cooking with Vianey. If you decided to make sopes with me today, this is going to be one of your favorite recipes of all times. Okay, so I grew up eating this sopes quite often and I love it. I love this recipe. So I'm so excited to teach you how to make this. So I'm going to teach you how to make the basics. Sopes, you can put in them chicken, beef, pork, whatever you like. The most important and challenging part of this process is just to make the sopes, but not impossible. I have a couple different ways you can make it and it'll be just right. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm going to show you the ingredients you need for this recipe. And the ingredients are blue corn masa. This is an instant blue corn masa. And you're going to need water to mix with the corn masa. And then you're going to need my special green salsa. And listen, we have one video how to make this green salsa. And you can check it out. Go through my videos and you'll find this recipe. It's really yummy. I really recommend it. And we have black refried beans, and we have queso fresco, of course onions and diced tomatoes. I have sour cream. We are going to need some kind of oil spray. And for tools, we are going to need a Ziploc bag, a large gallon Ziploc bag or large Ziploc bag. And I just cut the ends of it. So we'll have two different plastics. And I'm just going to need the center, so it doesn't really matter how big it is, your plastic bag, or what kind of plastic bag you have. And then 12 years ago, I bought me one of these. I got married and I thought, okay, if I'm gonna make sopes for 30 people, I'm gonna need one of these. So these ones will make the process easy, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. You can use your hands or you can use this. And I'm gonna show you the two different ways you can do it. Okay, let's start by making the masa. I put here about a cup. It's in the package says 1 cup of corn masa mix. You will need 1 cup of water and 1/8. So I go by eye. You can follow the instructions. And I have my masa here is about 2 cups, and I'm just gonna add water. And we're going to use our hands to mix this. My kids love doing this. Okay, especially my little ones. Well, they're all little. They are all little still. And it turns into a fight, so I have to put 5 different little balls so that everyone can participate on mixing the masa. I like blue corn masa because I find out that you can get more nutrients out of blue corn masa than the regular masa. My masa is ready. Now I'm just gonna grab and make a ball. The consistency, I don't know if you ever play with Play-Doh, but it's just like Play-Doh. And I'm gonna make a ball. But I'm just gonna put my little bowl in the middle and put plastic on top. Now, I don't use to be honest, I just don't use a plastic bag when I'm doing it with my hands. But since you are just learning how to, it's better for you to start this way. That way the masa doesn't stick in your hands and you can work faster. So I'm just gonna give turns and pads. My sope is ready. About as big as my whole hand. So let go. Careful, don't burn your tips of your fingers. Okay, the sope is ready to flip over. So this is ready. And if it comes like this with this little orange thingies, it means like it's a little bit toasted and it's perfect. It'll be perfect. So now I'm just gonna put my sope. Well, it's not really a sope until we do the corners. And I have here my towel, and I'm just gonna place my sope in the towel. Since it's very hot, so I'm gonna show you. I'll put one layer of the napkin on top of it, and with these two fingers, I'm just gonna press down. And let me show this camera up here that I have above me so that you can see better. You see how this forms like an edge, and we're gonna do that around the sope. We're gonna keep doing that. See? So let's see if it's not too hot. I'll show you without the napkin. A little too hot. And the last one. So you grab your tortilla like this, and with the thumbs, push up. And then you make some in the middle, like little paths. Okay. So here's our sope. We're gonna set it aside, and I'm gonna show you how to make it with this little guy. I'm just gonna open this and put my plastic here. There it is. And we're gonna put the other plastic on top. Now we're gonna cover it, and we're gonna gently press. When I just started learning or using this machine, I will open it and see if it needed more. And then I will turn the tortilla or the sope and then put it back again and press a little bit more. And there you go. That's the size that I want. You don't have to have this. You saw how simple it is just with your hands. Okay, now it's time to put the sope together. We already made the edges and everything. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of oil here. And then we're gonna put the sopes in the pan. The heat is on medium high. And then I'm just gonna spray a little bit more of oil on top. And then I'm gonna put on the onions. The next ingredient will be my salsa verde. And I'm just gonna sprinkle some on top. Let's say some, let's say a lot, because I love salsa. And then our next ingredient is our beans. And then we're gonna put our ground beef. After that, it's gonna keep cooking and you're gonna keep smelling and I feel hungry now. So we're gonna put our sour cream. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, your toppings are endless. And then I'll top it with my cheese, the cotija cheese. I love cotija, I love queso fresco. They are my favorites. And I'm just gonna put the radish. And there you have it. Don't they look delicious? They smell so yummy. I am so thankful for all of you that are watching and supporting my family through these videos. I really appreciate it. I love doing this and I hope that you enjoy watching me making them and talking to you. Thank you and see you next time. Mwah. And we'll be right back. I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be... No, mi amor, no. Ya vi tus intenciones.